Hey guys, in this video I'm going to help you to learn HTML. Actually, I'm going to teach you HTML. So before learning HTML, I will highly recommend download these two software for your HTML learning journey. Okay, so first of all, you have to download VS Code that is built by Microsoft. You can easily download it from Google Chrome or from any browser you can use. It's your choice. So in this case, I will use Google Firefox as a my browser and code editor as a VS Code. Okay. So without further delay, let's begin our today's tutorial. Okay, so firstly I will create a folder on my desktop. Then I will teach you, I will explain you what is HTML and why we should why do we need it for our web to make our website. Okay, so let's begin. So firstly I will you should open a web browser. That in my case I'm going to open. Okay, just turn it up. Okay, so in my case I'm going to open, I just open Firefox, and here I will type uh, vs vs code download. Okay, hit enter, and here at the at first you have to click this link. So just click this link and download VS Code. As in my case I am running Windows 11, so it's your choice whatever operating system you are using. Maybe it can be Linux, it can be Mac, it can be Windows. In Windows there are lots of version like Windows 7, 8. VS Code might not be compatible with Windows 7, 8, but if you are using Windows 10 and Windows 11, VS Code will definitely support. Okay, so you can download VS Code from here. And okay, let's I'm not going to teach you how to install it, because if you want to learn web development and software development, installation is will be the cup of cake. Okay, cup of tree, sorry, not cup of cake, cup of tree. Okay, so just click here and install your VS Code, and install your VS Code and also download your Firefox. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder here that is learn HTML from scratch. Okay, I'm just using shortcut here. No, shortcut is not working here. I'm just right click, and I'm not compatible with Windows 11, but still I'm going to make the video using Windows 11 because previously I was using Windows 10. So as a programmer, you don't not need to be compatible. And I'm talking this because you should know about this. As a programmer, you don't need to which version you are using, because you will make the system, you will make the browser and all the stuff. So that's why, yeah, I just, it's a jokes apart. Maybe you never touch a computer, and it will be really difficult for you to even creating a folder. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder here. So that is folder will be htm sorry folder will be html ri tutorial. Okay, html tutorial. And I'm going to just I'm not going to drag and drop. I'm going to open my VS Code first, and then I will drag and drop. Okay, so as you can see that there already been written an html code. I'm going to close this. So don't save. I'm going to minimize this windows and drag and drop this folder inside my VS Code. Okay, I just always here is one message is popping up, that is do you start trust your author? Yes, I definitely trust my author. So I will click, I'll fill up this box, trust the author of all files in parent folder on desktop. Okay, so I'm going to yes, trust this author always. Okay, okay, always. And I'm going to open my VS Code, and side by side I'm going to open my Firefox browser. Okay, so in Windows 11 you have a facility that is you can view your two window side by side. Okay, just look at my pointer, I'll just click here one time, and I will drag on top. Okay, so here you can see that here is the option that is side by side. On the right hand side is showing VS Code, and left hand side is your Firefox. So I will drag this browser onto the left box. Okay. Okay, so as you can see that these two browser and the code editor are viewing side by side. Okay, so uh, inside this folder HTML tutorial, I'm going to create a text file that is index.html. So name does not matter, you can name it anything, but index.html is recommended because it's when you will be a full stack developer, you will understand what is require, why we should use index.html. Okay, so for now I'm just going to create new file and name it index.html. Okay, then I will explain you what is html and why we need it. So I'll just new create new file dot in html, hit enter. Okay, I will explain you step by step. Don't worry, you don't need to be panic because I am here for you. Uh, I'm here to catch your hand and show you how you can learn the language. Okay, so basically, firstly, we have to understand what is HTML. So HTML is nothing but HTML full form is hypertext markup language. Okay, so what is hypertext? Hypertext means any text that will be hyper means what? It may be video, it may be audio, it may be photos, anything. Okay, so all we call is hyper. So hyper means the video, audio, and the photo will be converted to a text. Okay, will be converted to text, and this text will be and this text file will be rendered by our browser as a visual representation. Okay, so hypertext markup language, that's why we call it's hypertext markup language. Okay, so I'm just writing firstly I'm going to declare the type of the HTML version. So that is doc type HTML, the standard version of HTML. It's HTML5 version. So as you can see that I just type less than bracket and my VS code is suggesting me, do you want to type doc type? Yeah, I want to type doc type. So that's why I'm highly recommending you to use VS code because it's a part of VS code editor. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and you as you see the magic. Okay, as you can see the magic that it's autofill. So it is why how it is rendering. So it is rendering it is sorry, it is filling up by your VS code editor because we have installed a extension that is pre-trigger. Okay, so you might one question may comes onto your into your mind, that is what is extension. Extension means some tool that is embedded or that is embedded with your code editor. Okay, so what is the code editor? There are two extension I have sorry, what is the extension? I told you that it's a tool, it's a software that is embedded with your code editor. So there are two code editor, as you can see, two extension as you can see that I already installed on my code editor. One is live server, so and another is pre-tier, that is live server is by restricted. So what live server do? So I'm going to teach you HTML, but why I'm going to teach you all those these stuffs? Because if I teach you these stuff side by side HTML, so this will be really beneficial for you. You don't need to search any video on YouTube and just make your work easier. Okay, so that's why I'm teaching you beside the side by side what is extension and all this stuff, because I am introducing you the code editor also. So this will be really easy, and this method will really uh, help your way easier. Okay, so first of all I just written here, I just written here doc type HTML, and now I'm going to write HTML. Okay, so inside this HTML there are two kind of tag. Number one is head element. head tag, and number two is body tag. Okay, so firstly I'm going to write head tag, then I will write body tag. Okay, so I'm going to write head tag, head, and inside this head tag, no, don't worry, what I'm doing, just watch and I will explain you, don't worry. Okay, so inside this head tag there are one tag also, that is meta tag. Meta, meta, ut, sorry, meta, utf. So I'm going to close meta tag. I will, this is for browser purpose. So firstly I'm going to teach you title tag. Okay, then whenever the time comes, time will come, I will teach you what is meta tag. Okay, so this is for just learn basic. So inside the head tag I have to write title tag, title. So title, why title, why we need title tag? So don't worry, I will explain you, don't worry. So for now I'm going to write this. This is my first document, this is my first HTML document, this is my first HTML document. Okay, this is my first HTML document, this is my first HTML document, and now I'm going to write another tag, that is body tag, body tag. Okay, okay, and the time is now, it is the time for you to explain the whole code. So I'm going to just take this, and as you can see that, okay, just 1 second, I have to do something here. As you can see, okay, just wait. As you can see that there is written doc type HTML. I just explained you, remember, I bet you that you know about this, that doc type HTML is nothing but it's a version of the HTML. Which version of HTML we are using here? Okay, so why it's called doc type HTML? Okay, let's change the marker color, because it's really annoying. Okay, so what I told you, I just changed my pointer style, and I'm going to explain. So what is doc type? Doc type means nothing but it's a HTML version. Just keep it in your mind that doc type is nothing, it's a HTML version. Currently we are using HTML5. Okay, so if you are a really beginner, so this may be really confusing to you, because the field of programming is really hard. No, I'm not going to make you fear, but I'm going to just tell you that you will be really confused that what is happening. So don't worry, don't need to be panic. It will slowly but surely become really easy to you. So doctype means HTML version, and HTML HTML means that the page you are going to build, it's an HTML page. Well, it's a HTML page. Okay, so these two tag, this tag and this tag. Okay, these two tag define that this page is for HTML. Okay, okay, and the head tag is for browser. The head tag is for only for browser. Now whatever you will retain inside these two tag, this will not to be visible to your to your user. Okay, user means that when we visit a site like Amazon, so we are user. So whatever will retain inside these two tag, this head tag and this head tag, it will not be out, it will not be not get any output, it will not get any output to our browser. Okay, this is for our browser. And whatever we will retain inside this two tag, body tag, this will be, this will show output, this will show output. Okay, this will show output to our browser. Okay, remember, just remember this thing in your mind. Okay. Okay guys, so inside these two tag, body tag, whatever will you will written, this will be displayed on your web browser. Okay. So one thing that I want to tell you, that here I will show you magic. Okay, I will just remove all the tags, that whatever I have written here, and then you will see the magic. So power of VS Code. Okay, I just select it all and then cut it. And now I will just uh, hold my shift key and uh, re- re- type this exclamation mark. And if I hit enter, what will be the happen here? So you will see the changes. I just hit enter, and yeah, as you can see that now I'm going to teach you what is meta tag. Okay, so uh, I wanted to teach you that what is meta tag before, but for that moment I did not teach you, because I wanted to firstly I wanted to teach you that the basic, and then I will slowly go to the advanced part. So now I will explain. So there are lots of meta tag. There are lots of meta tag like description tag. So all the meta tag, remember, all the meta tag is used for the SEO purpose, that your page should rank on Google or any the search engine. So that's why we use meta tag. Okay, so here the default dummy VS Code is generated two dummy meta tag, and I will explain these two tags step by step. So number one meta tag is UTF-8, and number meta tag two meta tag is name equal to viewport, content equal to width, device width, initial scale 1.0. So what does it mean? So name meta equal to viewport, meta equal to viewport. It means that viewport means what? Viewport means this, here to here our full browser space is called viewport. Okay, so it's called viewport. So remember this definition. Okay, the full of browser is called viewport. Okay. Okay, and now content with equal to device with is the whatever we will written inside this uh, two body tag. This will show on a browser, means any, if you are using your mobile phone, if you are using your PC or laptop, your tablet, it does not matter. This whole code and this whole element will display and will fit to your browser. Okay, will fit to your browser. Okay, and initial scale 1.0, it means that your zoom level will be 100%. Your zoom level will be 100%. Initial scale 1.0 means. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to teach you, what is heading tag. Okay, so what is heading tag? So firstly I'm going to teach you our first web page. Okay, so just I'm going to retain the first hello world program inside h1 tag. So what is h1 tag? Don't worry, I will teach you. So firstly I'm going to retain here h1 hello world, okay, and right click it and open with live server. Which browser will open? I don't is already running. Okay, which browser? So guys, okay, so I just installed this Windows, so that's why there was some kind of problem, and I paused the video and I'm resuming the video now. Okay, so as you can see guys, that I just written some so I have to disable this Mozilla Firefox suggestion MDN difference. So guys, I am not going to disable it because it's really help you. I'll teach you. So here that one thing is popped up, that is h1 element represents a section heading. So what does it mean? It means that h1 tag is used for representing heading tag. Okay, representing heading element. Heading means that whenever you open a newspaper site, that I'm going to open here a Indian Hindustan time. I'm from India, so that's why I'm going to open Hindustan time. Okay, so as you can see, guys, here Hindustan time. Please don't give me copyright. So as you can see, guys, that here it is written, using this heading tag. Okay, so there are six type of heading tag. How many types of heading tags are there? There are six types of heading tag. There are six types of heading tag. Okay, guys, actually I'm going to pause the video, just I'm feeling really tired, and the video I'm recording is in Indian time standard. Now it's 4 a.m. Okay, so the whole night I'm just continuously learning. That programming is a kind of field where you have to learn continuously. Okay, if you pause your learning capability, then you will be outdated. Okay, so that's why, in if you are deciding to make your career in programming and coding, so you have to just continuously learn. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you that all the heading and paragraph, and then I will pause the video and continue the video. Upcoming video I will resume our tutorial next time. It means that next day. Okay, so what is h1? H1 means is a heading. H1 means it's a heading. So there are six kind of heading. So I'm going to show you one by one. So one is h1, another is h2. So I'm going to write same, hello, hello world. Another is h3, hello world. Another is h4, hello world. I'm going to return again, hello world. Fuck off. Sorry, guys. Hello world. Okay, and also if I just save it, prettier code formatter extension is not working, so I have to. Okay, I'll just show you after some time. So h4 and h5, uh, h h5, hello world. H6, this is another hello world. Hello world. So as you can see, guys, our code is messy, so I'm going to just save it. And as you can see that the code hierarchy is like a like our. So guys, as you can see that our code hierarchy is like a stairs. So I'm just going to so I don't know that why prettier is not working, so I have to watch it, and I have to make this extension. I think some kind of mistake I have made. So that's why prettier code formatter is not working here. So is it enable? Okay, it's enable, but there are some problem. So I'll fix it later in the next tutorial. So tutorial will be really use really big. So I'm just going to just close this. Okay, so this all called heading tag. This is called heading tag. Okay, so we use. Sorry guys, I'm feeling really tired and sleepy. Okay, so this six tag is called heading tag. So generally we use these tags for defining our heading on our web page. Okay, so why we need these tags? So these tags is used for to define heading on our web page. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you paragraph tag. Okay guys, so I'm going to pause the tutorial for today because I'm really tired and I can't continue tutorial further because I'm really feeling sleepy. So thank you guys. Watch. Thanks for watching the video. I will meet you in the next video. Okay. So thank you.